Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use admin assist on Facebook. So if you're a mod on Facebook group and you want to take advantage of the admin assist for it to help you to moderate your groups, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So when you go to Facebook, in your group dashboard, you click on the admin icon at the top right corner. Click on pending posts. Click on settings gear icon at the top right corner. Click on automatic actions. Here you're going to see admin assist. Here you can add or edit criteria. So you can say decline an incoming post if it comes with a certain word. Maybe you add a keyword like you can add a keyword like the F word. You can add a keyword like maybe any abusive keyword. You can add it and it won't be approved automatically. You can also add a specific link. Maybe if a site, like you can see right here, we have added some sites that's gonna get blocked automatically. So these are the sites we added in the group. So like Telegram link, any link that is not related to YouTube is going to be removed automatically. So when you are done with the criteria, you just click on save and it's going to save it. So that's how you use admin assist on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.